request Ms. Nishtha Soni, the former head girl of the school, to share her experiences being a head girl. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Esteemed chief guests, respected teachers, and all the Kavartarites. Good morning to all present over here. I am Nishtha Soni, standing before you, holding this mic as the head girl of this institution for the one last time. I just can't believe that last year I was standing here on the same place, holding this mic with a heart full of joy, excitement, and gratefulness. But as we all know, that the time never stops. When the wheel of time rotates, things got changed. This time, the place is same, the people are same, the celebration is for the same, but the feelings are different. This time, I am feeling happy and sad both. Happy for Arzu Patidar, our newly elected head girl, that she is up for an amazing journey. And sad, obviously, because now I will be called the former head girl of this school. This journey was really like a roller coaster ride for me. From solving the issues of students to managing all the events of school. From staying up in the school till 8 p.m. to arriving early in the school for the annual function, farewell and Teachers' Day preparations. On top of that, how can I forget the immense support of Rekha Goyal ma'am and Varsha Sisodia ma'am. Also the very energetic Shraddha Gupta ma'am and Adil Khan sir. Thank you sir and ma'am for your support. Also, how can I forget the prefectorial and council body of section 2022 and 23. Thank you to each one of them for making our journey the successful one. At the end, I would like to say that you all are up for an amazing journey with a bucket full of responsibilities and joy. So, enjoy the fullest and best of luck. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.